I hope you all are fine. In today's class, we will do block 15 and topic 4. And topic is writing a paragraph. We have done in the last class about topic sentences. All of you know what is the topic sentence. And in today's class, we will do paragraph. So our aim is to write a paragraph with topic sentence and details. आज की क्लास में हम एक पैराग्राफ लिखेंगे जिसमें टॉपिक सेंटेंस होगा एंड जो टॉपिक हमने सिलेक्ट किया है फॉर राइटिंग द पैराग्राफ उसके कुछ डिटेल्स होंगी. आई होप एम इज क्लियर टू यू ऑल एंड दिस विल बी आवर एजेंडा. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई विल कनेक्ट यू विद टुडेज टॉपिक. आफ्टर दैट we will do activity, then discussion, then worksheet, then homework. So resources you need for today's class is S4, your worksheet and notebook. And keyword for today is paragraph. Paragraph is made up of sentences. Like आपको अगर बोला जाए write paragraph on your house or on your teacher, your mother, your father, so आप उसमें कुछ sentences लिखेंगे. So that is a paragraph. एक पैसेज होता है जिसमें कुछ सेंटेंसेस लिखे होते हैं. इट कैन बी स्मॉल और बिग. एंड नाउ इट्स टाइम टू रिकॉल व्हाट डिड वी लर्न इन प्रीवियस क्लास. Okay, now tell me about which topic you want to write. Yes, maybe you want to write about your father, mother, birthday, gift, holidays, your house, your school, like that. In previous class we have discussed about some topics about which I have told you how to write a topic sentence. So in today's class, same as you will do, you will select one topic and after that today you will not write the topic sentence but you will write a paragraph. And in that paragraph you will write topic sentence also, because you know topic sentence is what? Topic sentence is the main line, main sentence in the given paragraph. पैराग्राफ के अंदर जो मेन लाइन होती है which tell us about the paragraph की पैराग्राफ में एक्चुअली है क्या, किस चीज़ के बारे में है, सो वो टॉपिक सेंटेंस होता है. एंड इन टूडेज क्लास वी विल राइट अबाउट पैराग्राफ. सो नाउ आई एम टेलिंग यू, सपोज यू हैव सिलेक्टेड द टॉपिक हाउस. This is your topic and now we have to write a paragraph on this topic house. So now tell me, what is a house? Yes, a house is a place where do we all live. And why do we need a house? Okay, very good. I can listen from you. Yes, you are giving responses like this, that we need a house to protect ourselves from heat, cold, rain, and we need a house to live. And whenever we get tired, we need a house to sleep, we need house to play, we need house to keep our things. So like that when we write paragraph about a house, then we write some sentences in sequence and at the end we write a closing sentence. And in topic we will select a topic sentence for that, and topic sentence also we will include in a paragraph. So now the topic sentence for house, what will be the topic sentence? Topic sentence will be, I need house for many reasons. I need my house for many reasons. Because you have seen the importance of house, why do we need a house? So topic sentence can be, I need my house for many reasons. So this is your topic sentence and you are going to include this sentence also in your paragraph. So now I am telling you how to write a paragraph. So we are writing paragraph about house. So now all of you know the importance of house. Why do we need, you need a house? You need a house for many reasons. So all of you like your house. So your first sentence will be like this, I like my house for many reasons. So this is your topic sentence, or you can also write, I need my house for many reasons. Next, what will you write? You will write like this, I live with my mummy and papa. I live with my mother and father, or you can write mummy and papa. Mother and father. Now Next sentence, what can you write? I play in my house. I play in my house with my toys. So you can write I play with toys. Next, what can you write? I keep my things in my house. I keep my things in my house. In my house. So you know house is very important. Then at the end you need to write a closing sentence. You know that you use your house for living, for playing, for spending your time, for sleeping, okay, for keeping your things, and it protect you from heat, cold. So one more line you can add. It protect me from heat and cold. And now at the end you need to write a ending sentence, a closing sentence, or you can say conclusion you have to write. So now this is about the importance of house, that why you like your house. You like your house for many reasons. So now what you came to know from this, that my house is important for me. Yeah, a house is an important place. So you can write at the end, a house is a important place. A house is an important place. So now this is the paragraph which I have written, and it is on topic house. Our topic was house, and we have written this sentence, these sentences, and this is the topic sentence which I have written. Now from the topic sentence you can know that what can be the paragraph about. So now I hope this is clear to you. Now it's time for you to do the activity. I have told you how to write a paragraph. Now you will write your own paragraph. You can, why do you need a house? You can write your paragraph on house or any other topic also. So take any topic from the previous class. You have taken many topics. So out of those topics you will select one topic, or you can take the same topic also, house, and you need to write a paragraph like this. You will start it with the topic sentence. After that you will add more sentence about that, and after that at the end you will need to write a ending sentence. So now I request to parents, please pause the video and let them complete the activity. They will write a paragraph about any topic. They can take their favorite topic and they can write any paragraph. I hope all of you have completed the activity. Now tell me, what is your paragraph about? I hope all of you have also written your paragraph. Okay, so let's discuss about the paragraph which I have written, or maybe most of you have also written. So what is our paragraph about? Yes, our paragraph is about my house. And what have we written about the place? Means about our house. What have we written? Yes, we have written in our paragraph that why do we need a house? So that we have written, what does the last sentence of paragraph tell us? So what was the last sentence of the paragraph? That houses are important, or a house is an important place. So that was the last sentence of the paragraph. So what does it tell us? Okay, I request to parents, please pause the video and ask from your board. Yes, the last paragraph is in the paragraph, the last sentence is the closing sentence. Okay, so that sentence tells us about the paragraph. We end there. Our paragraph ends there at last, and it is like a conclusion, and it looks like a topic sentence also. Like in our paragraph, the last sentence was that house is an important place to live. So that is like our topic sentence, that I like my house for many reasons. This was the topic sentence, and the last sentence also looks like the topic sentence. So the last sentence ending sentence is very important and it looks like a topic sentence. It is very important part of the paragraph. What are the different parts of a paragraph? Now tell me, what are the different parts of a paragraph? I have written a paragraph and you have seen, and you all have also written your own paragraph. Now tell me, what are the different parts of a paragraph? I request to parents, please pause the video and take answer from students. Yes, very good. Let's see here, I am making a flow chart to tell you about the different parts of a paragraph. So first part is topic sentence. First of all, you write a topic sentence, then sentence 1, then sentence 2, then sentence 3. Like this 4-5 sentences you will write, and then at the end what you will write? You will write a closing sentence. Okay? Or you can say that will be the conclusion of this paragraph. So at last, closing sentence. So now all of you know how to write a paragraph. These are the parts of paragraph. First of all, you write topic sentence, then you will write 3 or more sentences related to the topic. After that, you will write a closing sentence. You can see कि जो हमने पैराग्राफ लिखा था उसमें जो 2-3 sentences in the middle which we have written, all were related to the topic. They also tell us more about the topic. These are the details. यहाँ क्या होती है? Details होती है about the topic. So topic sentence, that some sentences which are the details for the topic sentence, and after that a closing sentence at the end. Now it's time for the horse question. This is the horse question. Is paragraph writing the same as story writing? क्या paragraph writing and story writing same है? I request to parents, please pause the video and take answer from students. Yes. The answer to this question is paragraph writing and story writing के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. So now see this story. Many paragraphs together makes a story. So you can see this story. The trees grandma did not plant. In this story, you can see these paragraphs together makes this story. It is made up of these paragraphs which I have shown you. Now, remember one thing here I want to tell you, that every paragraph has a topic sentence in it. Like this is one paragraph, so you will find a topic sentence in this. This is next paragraph, second paragraph. In this also you will find a topic sentence. In third, fourth, like this. In every paragraph you will find a topic sentence. And you know that every story has a main idea. So now the main idea of the story is same as the topic sentence of paragraph. जैसे paragraph में topic sentence होता है, so same as story में main idea होता है. So you can say कि paragraph topic sentence of paragraph is similar to the main idea of the story. And now one more thing I want to tell here, that while writing a story, so every next paragraph will be related to the last paragraph. Like this is the second paragraph and it will be related to last paragraph, means this first paragraph, and this third paragraph will be related to second paragraph. So like this, many paragraphs together makes a story. I hope you understood. Now let's recap. What did we learn today? Today we have learned about writing a paragraph. And now I think all of you know how to write a paragraph. I am summarizing, I am telling you again. For writing a paragraph, first of all you will write a topic sentence. After that you will write sentence 1, then sentence 2, then 3, and after that at the end you will write a closing sentence. And one more thing we have learned, that every paragraph has a topic sentence in it and closing sentence also. So, and the closing sentence looks like a topic sentence. And for writing a story, we need paragraphs. We need to put some paragraphs together, and every next paragraph will be related to the last paragraph written. And like this, you will get a story. And every story has the main idea, same as every topic sentence of paragraph is similar to the main idea of the story, and every paragraph has topic sentence. So you will remember all these points. Now it's time for the worksheet. So worksheet is given on page number 38 in workbook. Now I request to parents, open this worksheet and let them complete. This is the worksheet which you have to do writing a paragraph. So here what you have to do, see question number 1, write the topic sentence you made in S2, write a paragraph about the topic. So in S2 you have written a topic sentence about your favorite thing. So what you have to do, you have to write your topic sentence here. After that you have to write a paragraph. So in that paragraph you will write sentence 1, then sentence 2, then sentence 3, and after that you have to write a closing sentence. I hope it is clear to you and you know how to write a paragraph. So you have to write some sentences. After that at the end you will write a closing sentence. Now I request to parents, please pause the video and let them complete the worksheet. I hope all of you have completed the worksheet. Now let's know about the homework. Write a paragraph on topic picnic. As we have written paragraph on house today in the class, so you have to write a paragraph about topic picnic, जो हमने previous class में भी discuss किया था. So about picnic you will write a paragraph. One more homework you are getting. Do practice question 4 on page number 42 in content book. So this is your content book. And here page number 42, this question number 4, write a paragraph on the topic my classroom. So you know the class, what was the aim of class, writing a paragraph. So in the worksheet also you will be writing a paragraph. You have written a paragraph, and in homework also you are getting writing paragraph about picnic. You will write it in your notebook, and this here it is given in content book. You will write paragraph about your classroom, and I request to parents that you can give any topic to your ward and they can write paragraph on that topic. So about your classroom you need to write a paragraph. I hope homework is clear to you and today's topic is also clear to you. So now I want to leave the class. Before leaving the class I want to tell you resources for the next class. These are the resources for next class. Pictures of rainwater collected in garden pits, roof water running through pipes, and uses of water like cleaning utensils, washing clothes. So like that uses of water pictures you will take. And S1 worksheet you need. Worksheet चाहिए आपको S1 and content book, notebook. So these are the resources for next class. I hope you all will be ready with the resources. We will meet again in the next video. Thank you so much for watching video.